Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be talking about a really common problem that so many of us are suffering from these days, and that is uneven skin tone, guys. And the area which is usually affected most by it is the area around our mouth we have. So guys, this is because this area is more exposed to sun, which thereby leads to tanning. And hair removal is the again second problem, because we usually remove hair from our upper lip and from our chin area sometimes as well, which leads to whiteheads, blackheads, and lots of accumulation of dead skin cells. So guys, here in this video I'm gonna be telling you how to DIY your own rice scrub, which will helps in exfoliating the skin well and helps in brightening the skin as well. So guys, rice grain has properties which helps in skin exfoliation, and it also helps in removing the dead skin cells, which leads to skin darkening around the mouth area. And the second one is it has lots and lots of nutritional minerals and vitamins, which helps in skin lightening and brightening. So guys, today in this video I'm going to be providing you two variants of the same scrub. The first one is for normal skin like I have, and the second one is for acne prone skin. And also guys, if you are in the part of family, make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of this beauty squad. And we'll get into the video, guys. Let's get started.
So guys, the first rice scrub is for normal skin, and here I have taken 4 tablespoons of brown rice and I have grinded it, and this is the right consistency we need so that it can be easily applied on face. And after that I am taking half a lemon, and I'm going to dip this lemon in the rice flour. And about applying this, guys, you need to move this into circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes, and you need to be very gentle with this. Do not be very harsh or put too much of pressure, and keep moving it in circular motion for another 2 minutes. And lemon is going to brighten up the skin, and it is going to remove all the dead skin cells, making your skin look vibrant. And after that, wash your face with cold water and apply some moisturizer. The second one, rice scrub, is for acne prone skin, guys, and for this I am going to take honey, as honey has skin brightening properties, and it also has antimicrobial properties, which is going to heal your skin well. And after adding it, give it a nice stir so that both ingredients can be mixed properly. This mixture is going to be little viscous, guys, so make sure when you apply it and when the scrubbing part come, take little bit of water on your fingertips and then start moving your fingertips into circular motion. Using these scrubs for a prolonged period of time is going to give you amazing results, and you can use it thrice a week and you are going to see difference just after using it for the first time. Wash your face with cold water and then pat it dry using a clean towel and apply some moisturizer. I hope it helps you guys.
So guys, this is it for this video, and if you have any question related to this, let me know in the comment down below. And if you aren't the part of family yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be part of Beauty Squad. And also do not forget to follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below, and a page after this video also, where I'm going to provide you skincare solution, beauty care solution, and hair care solution. So many beauty tips which are going to help you guys greatly, because on my all those pages I'm going to start this series. And this is it, guys. I hope that you liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Here in this video I'm gonna be telling you how to DIY your rice scrub so guys,